Good day everyone! Yesterday, tinawagan tayo ni Sir Angelito ng Pag-ibig May to give us some update regarding sa file natin na application for conversion to full risk-based pricing model. Good news! Today, nakapag-sign na po tayo ng bagong contract. Napanotarize na rin natin, and we also have the copy of NOA or Notice of Approval nung in-apply natin. At the same time, meron din tayong promissory note na binigay nila. Advantages nito is yung monthly amortization natin is bumaba na from 5,559, it will be 5,510 na lang. Second good thing is every 3 years automatic na tayong kasama on this program ni Pag-ibig. Medyo downside lang is kapag ang percent after 3 years is mataas, automatic na yun ang ma-avail natin. Let's pray na mas mababa ang offer nila after or the next 3 years. Sino-sino sa inyo ang nakapag-apply and naka-experience na ng ganitong program ni Pag-ibig? And if you have also questions, just leave it in our comment box. Subukan nating sagutin yan as much as nakaya natin. So this is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!